In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border in Canva. Whether you're designing social media graphics, presentations, or any other visual project, a border can add that extra touch of style and professionalism to your design. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up Canva, which you can do by heading to their website or opening their app. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's simple to sign up, and it's free for basic access, so you can easily follow along. Now, when you're logged in, look just below the search bar to find the option for creating a custom size. Click on this option, and let's set our canvas to a perfect square of 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is versatile and commonly used across various platforms, especially for Instagram posts. After entering your dimensions, hit that button that says Create New Design, and Canva will open up your fresh canvas. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different options for elements, uploads, text, and more. For today, let's focus on the Design tab. Click there, and then move on to the Search feature. Type in Square Border and press Enter. This will pull up a variety of border options for you to explore. To find suitable elements, remember to click on the Graphics option below the search bar. This filters your search results to show graphic borders rather than photographs or videos, giving you a more focused selection. Now is the time for you to unleash your creative abilities. Browse through the available choices, and once you've found a border design that speaks to you, simply click on it. It will immediately appear on your canvas. The border might not be the perfect size right off the bat, but don't worry, you can adjust it. Click and drag the corners to resize the border so that it fits your design just the way you like. Canva makes this process intuitive with guidelines that help align elements perfectly. Not only can you adjust the size, but feel free to customize the border. Change the color to fit your theme. Alterations are simple to make using Canva's intuitive tools. Experiment with transparency, layer it with other elements, and modify any aspect that will make your creation uniquely yours. And there you have it, a beautifully bordered design created effortlessly using Canva. It's a straightforward process that provides endless possibilities for personalization. So, keep experimenting with different designs and styles to elevate your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.